Hey YouTube, today we're going on a hike with my grandma. Say hi.
Hi.
And her dog, Diva. Diva! Accidentally just stopped reading by accident. And we saw a dead bunny on this trail, so it's kind of cool. Not really. Where are we going? Is this actually a trail?
Yeah, I'm just following it to see where it leads.
There's tons of graffiti in that rock.
Hey, stop it! Stop it!
That's a cool mountain. What was she doing? What was she doing?
She's chewing up some kind of plant.
What's that? Oh,
It's got a pea on it.
that's lovely.
Whatever it is, it's got a pea on it.
Now. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Where are we going?
Okay. I'm just exploring, you know. See,
You
when
seem
I
cool.
was a kid, we had forts. We had fields like this, and we had forts. And we dug in the ground, and we made little forts.
Dug in the ground?
Yeah, we'd get shovels, and we'd dig it, you know, like a cave.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, we did all kinds of weird stuff. You gotta remember, it was a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Gas was like 30 cents a gallon or something. And it was back in the dark ages.
This is her YouTube channel, Grandma Diana. No, Diana Berman. This is, go check out my other YouTube channel. It's called Doge 247. I have 57 subscribers.
Wow.
Huh?
That's pretty good.
I want to do a video with you tomorrow.
Okay.
Hey.
It's all sand. We'll see how. Did it come out?
Candy break.
Yeah, let me have another shot of that. That's good. Tastes good.
Oh.
Don't do too much now, because you know.
Diva
What
thirsty?
a punch. Wow, that packs a punch.
Grandma, I have a secret question.
Okay.
What's my name?
Isaac McPhee. That is good stuff. Woo.
I know. Sour.
Good flavor. Darn good flavor. Go near that stupid thing. Who knows what's living in that?
What's that?
People.
Where's your couch right in the middle of nowhere?
I know. Somebody dumped it over here. They wanted to get rid of it.
That's dumb.
And they just brought it back here.
Wait, can I see the graffiti rock again?
Yeah, you can go around. You can go around this way.
Oh, what?
Eva, come on.
Parkour. I'm gonna show the people. Ooh, glass. I heard something. Is there rattlesnakes out here?
Yeah, there, Diva. Come on. I don't think so. I really don't think so.
I heard something go in the bushes.
I mean, there could be, but I don't think so. I don't think it's out here like it would be in Fallbrook.
I heard it's like rattling going
If you hear anything, get out of there fast.
Oh. Hold on.
You hear a baby rattle going.
Hello.
Like a baby rattle.
That's the graffiti rocks. Okay. Where do you want to go now?
You know what?
Huh?
Anybody can come here with a can of spray paint. But
Free do. Huh?
anybody can come here with a can of spray paint
True.
and put their initials on it.
They're not being seen.
No, they wouldn't even be noticed. And I don't think anybody would do anything because we're not doing a building.
True.
It's like a rock. Yeah, that's right, huh?
Well, there's like a ball in there.
Where?
That crack was like a water ball.
Oh, yeah.
Flip bottles.
Huh.
Where used to
Yeah,
what do?
Yeah, those mountains Or not the Big Bear Mountains. Big Bear would be that direction. Those are, I don't think they're Big Bear. No, I don't think so. Maybe they are. I don't know. I can't see. It's too close.
Big Bear?
It's gotta be the San Bernardino or the, there's another one down by Palm Springs.
Is that actual snow?
Huh?
Is that actual snow?
Yeah. Oh, that's real snow.
Snow in California?
Yeah. Oh, it's
Woo! Remember I had snow once.
It
Rarely.
snowed in Rainbow, Isaac. I mean,
It snowed a little bit.
lot.
It snowed a little bit once at our house.
At your house, you wouldn't
A
get that.
tiny bit.
No, because you guys are
It
not
was
the
super
right
rare.
altitude. You should have seen how much snow was in Temecula. A couple
No,
years
it's not.
ago. Before Jim died, we had like 2 inches of snow.
Hold this for a minute.
And it was so cold.
No, other way.
Okay. Wait a minute. I'm going to set this down. I got too much stuff I'm carrying.
There you go. That's a trick. Yeah.
Yeah, they both have Gmail. You can't, if you don't have Gmail, you can't get the thing going. See, that's how I got the whole thing going.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's how I got that whole tablet going.
Something in the sky. It's a balloon. Hey, Dougie. Hey, Dougie. Hey.
He does not like to be on camera.
Dogs don't like it. How you record now.
She's not a
You
celebrity.
record.
Okay, here, hold it.
Hold.
Okay,
Yeah, some water. Agua.
there.
Go.
I'm watching you.